Hello students, welcome to the class of chemistry, organic chemistry. Myself Dr. Shilpi Gupta. In my previous video, we have started with the topic of alcohol, which is in BSc second year. In my previous video, we did the introduction, the classification and the nomenclature. Now today, I am going to make the part second, in which we are going to do reaction mechanism of alcohol or preparation of alcohol. Means we will do the reactions along with their mechanisms. Okay, so there are various ways in which the alcohol is prepared. Okay, the first way is by we will do the complete syllabus. Okay, by hydrolysis of haloalkanes. By hydrolysis of haloalkanes. You must be familiar with this word, haloalkanes. Haloalkanes is alkanes attached with the halogen. You must be familiar with this word. X belongs to the halogen family and R belongs to the alkyl group, which can be an alkane or alkene or anything, okay, related to the alkyl group. Haloalkanes. Okay, now hydrolysis of haloalkanes is carried out in presence of aqueous NaOH or KOH or CaOH whole twice, that is sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. This reaction is carried out in presence of any of these reagents. Okay, now let me give you the example. When haloalkanes is treated with sodium hydroxide and the hydrolysis is being carried out, then what is formed is an alcohol. When haloalkanes is treated with sodium hydroxide and the hydrolysis is done, then what is formed is alcohol and sodium halide. Okay, there are two examples of this. Number one, first let me write down, then I will explain it to you. And number second reaction is see, there are two examples. CH3CH2Br. You must be familiar with this word as I explained you in the previous video. This is a primary halide. Okay, a primary haloalkane means a halogen is attached to the alkyl group. It is a primary haloalkane, means the carbon atom is attached to the Br group and is attached to another methyl group, which I explained you what is primary, secondary and tertiary in the previous video. So when in the primary haloalkane, this is a primary haloalkane. When a primary haloalkane is treated with sodium hydroxide, what we get is a primary alcohol. Whereas if this is a secondary haloalkane, when secondary haloalkane is treated with sodium hydroxide, then what we get is a secondary alcohol. So what you understand is, when primary haloalkane we get primary alcohol and with secondary haloalkane we get secondary alcohol. Understood? Now the reaction mechanism. So first we will explain the reaction. First I will explain you the reaction mechanism of primary haloalkane and then the secondary haloalkane. How the reaction is being carried out step by step. Now this reaction, first of all, now the mechanism. Mechanism always carried out in various steps. Step 1. Step 1. First of all, sodium hydroxide will dissociate it into sodium and hydroxy ion. This is a hydroxy ion which have minus charge means it has a lone pair of electrons. Sodium, which has a positive charge, which means it is deficient in electrons. It is electron loving and it is nucleus loving. It is electrophilic and it is a nucleophilic. Okay. Now step 1 means sodium hydroxide, the reagent, will dissociate into two parts. Then comes the step 2. We have taken the primary haloalkane CH3CH2Br. Now what will happen? This is a Br, which is a nucleophile, as you all must be aware of. It is a nucleophile. It has a lone pair of electrons with itself. So what will happen when it has extra electrons and it is deficient of electrons? Obviously it will attack the Br like this. It is deficient in electrons, it has extra electrons. So the reaction mechanism will follow in this way. What will happen? It will attack the lone pair of electrons. And what will form is an intermediate compound, Na. Since it has shared an lone pair of electrons with sodium, now it will become electron deficient. Now what will happen in the next step? Shall I remove this? Now what will happen? This is an intermediate compound. What will happen in the next step is it got plus charge, means it is deficient of electrons as it shared its electrons with sodium. So it will take lone pair of electrons from the CH2Br bond and will break down. And what will form is CH3CH2 plus NaBr, like this. Understood? First step, NOH dissociated into Na plus OH ion. Now CH3CH2Br, that is a primary haloalkane, it will react with sodium and sodium with positive charge. Now it will attack the Br nucleophile, and what will happen? It will take the lone pair of electron from the between bond and will break down. Now since it has given the lone pair of electrons, so it will become electron deficient like this, NaBr. Now in the next step, that is step number 3, we got CH3CH2 plus NaBr. What will happen? NaBr is removed from the reaction. NaBr has been removed. Now CH3CH2 positive charge. What we got in the previous step is OH ion. Okay, Na plus has been used. Now OH ion. Now what will happen? This nucleophile will attack on the CH3CH2 plus charge. CH3CH2 OH will be formed. When it will attack to it, then what will happen? CH3CH2 OH will form. So what happened? From primary haloalkanes we got primary alcohol. Okay, it's clear. Now comes the second step. First mechanism is over. Now comes the second one. We got primary alcohols from primary haloalkanes. Now comes secondary alcohol. Hydrolysis of secondary alcohol. The reaction is like this: CH3CH2 CH2OH, okay, plus NaOH, and what will come is CH3CH2 CH2OH plus Na. Here it will come Br. Okay, haloalkane, secondary alcohol plus sodium hydroxide. When it will hydrolysis will be done, then haloalkanes plus sodium bromide will be formed. Again the same procedure. Step 1, I am explaining you so that it will be more clear to you. CH3 CH2 CH2Br. Okay, first of all, what will happen? NaOH in the step 1 will dissociate into Na and OH ion. Here in the step 2, now we'll do in short form. Okay, now an electrophile will, it is electron loving, it has lone pair of electrons, so it will attack on an electrophile, and what will happen? CH3, CH2, an intermediate compound will be formed, BrNA. Okay, it will got positive charge. Then what will happen? The lone pair, it will attract the lone pair of electron and will break down. So again, the compound formed will be CH3, CH2 plus NaBr. Now, in the next step, step number 3, CH3, CH2, CH2 plus will react with the OH ion we formed earlier in the first step. OH ion, and it will attack on the positive charge. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. This is an secondary alcohol. From secondary haloalkanes we got secondary alcohol. This is secondary haloalkane. From secondary haloalkanes we got secondary alcohol. So it's been clear to you the hydrolysis of haloalkanes with its mechanism. Now the second step, the second preparation of alcohol. Now we will do the second preparation of alcohol. Okay. There are number of steps, number of mechanisms and number of reactions. So let's start the second reaction. Second is by reduction of carbonyl compounds. Let me tell you some points, then we will continue it in the next video. Okay, reduction of carbonyl compounds. What are carbonyl compounds? Carbonyl compounds are those compounds which have this group, C double bond O group in its molecule, are called as carbonyl compounds. So carbonyl reduction, what is carbonyl reduction? Carbonyl reductions is the organic reactions of the carbonyl compounds in the presence of a reducing agent. Now carbonyl compounds are those compounds like aldehydes. When these compounds like aldehydes, ketones, esters, carboxylic acids, all these compounds and acid chlorides. All these compounds have this group C double bond O group. So all these compounds are carbonyl compounds. When reduction, carbonyl reduction, what will happen? The chemical reactions of the carbonyl compounds in presence of the reducing agents. And carbonyl compounds is clear. Now there are two ways in which we do the reduction of carbonyl compounds. What are the two ways? It depends on the reducing agent. When we do the reduction, by reduction in presence of lithium aluminium hydride, sodium borium hydride, NaBH4, lithium aluminium hydride, okay, or this and Stu nickel and Stu platinum. All these are reducing agent. Whenever you see these agents, you must understood that this is the reduction reaction. Okay, reduction reactions are also called as addition of hydrogen. Whenever the reduction reactions comes in presence of these reagents, you should understand that this is a reduction reaction. And whenever the reduction reaction comes, you should understand the addition of hydrogen will be done. Okay, so first process is like this, and the second process is in presence of Grignard reagent. Okay, these are the two ways in which we do the reduction of carbonyl compounds. Now we will continue this in the next video, in the part 3. So students, till then, goodbye. See you in the next video.